Hey guys, it's Mark here and welcome back to another video, and today I have here is the Edifier TWS1. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing right now. So earlier today I tried to do an unboxing video in the other room, and it was really noisy because there's a lot of construction noise around my neighborhood because I have two neighbors are doing constructions and renovations. So it's really loud, there's a lot of drilling, there's a lot of knocking. So I have to move myself to another room to film this video. And I actually already unboxed it, but let's revisit the unboxing again. So let's take a look around the box. Here's all a set of features. And the bottom is all those information, and I got the color black because there's no white available, which is sad because I wanted to get white because I knew from the image itself it looks glossy, but I give it a whirl. Okay, now let's open it up. Yes, I can tell it's really glossy looking, even though it's black. I question why do they wrap it like this. Well, I think this is something pretty much easy to get a fingerprint marking on it. And there is some marking here as well. But yeah. And then just open it up. It's really clean looking. But I like it when it's matte. But you know what, that's fine. It's a little bit slightly more expensive than the X3. And it also charged with a micro USB port. So that is a bit of a bummer. But you know, it's still not that bad, especially for the pricing itself. And inside here we have micro USB cables, silica gel, which is not that important, and also the earbuds, which is wrapped in this plastic. I wonder why. And more paperwork. So let's put this back in. And let's take a look what's inside. It's actually very light. I actually quite like it. I mean, it's a bit thicker, so I actually don't really mind it because at least I know that's inside my pocket or inside my bag. I could actually easily find it instead of making it super sleek. And yeah, and if you put it charged, you can see a red dot on the side. And if you're going through some pairing mode or connection, it's going to be blinking blue or blinking blue or red. So yeah. So that's it for the video, and I'll be doing a review on it soon. And remember to like and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter and Instagram, links down below. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!